For the distinguished couples from around the world who wish to exchange their vows in the heart of the eternal city of Rome, Villa Clara is the perfect venue for an elegant and classy destination wedding. The historic 1920s facade of Villa Clara is the iconic spot for an intimate wedding ceremony. The rooftop terrace can be used as an outdoor venue for an intimate wedding ceremony or a city dinner up to 30 guests. Villa Clara counts for luxurious suites, ideal for the destination wedding accommodation of the couple and family or closest friends. Each suite, bold yet opulent, is designed individually by the renowned designer Jacques Garcia and bursts with character. The intimate wedding reception can take place at the dining room venue, a luxurious hall that can host up to 30 guests seated. Reimagined in Art Deco style, grand mirrors, precious stone surfaces and a vast art collection, the dining room offers the most exclusive backdrop for the ultimate dining experience. The wedding cake cutting moment can be hosted at the living room of the villa, and its extravagant interior can dazzle even the most discerning guests. The after-wedding party can be hosted at the round hall entrance, and with a thoughtfully designed light and deco production, your guests can be enhanced and party till 2 o'clock in the morning.